Welcome to Seniorverse. Running an adult daycare center is complex, but your systems don't have to be. Seniorverse makes daily operations simple with easy-to-use tools for attendance, meals, billing, and reporting. Designed for speed and accuracy, our platform reduces paperwork and manual tasks, so your team can put their energy where it belongs, on supporting your members, not chasing paperwork. Let's take a look at how it all works. When you first log in, you'll land at the center's dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see your user profile where you can access your account settings, update basic information, change your email address, or reset your password, as well as the ability to sign out. Below your profile, you'll see a list of centers you have access to, each represented by its own card. From a center's card, you can access the modules available to you based on your specific permissions, whether that is center-wide or role-specific. You'll see modules for care management, where most of the day-to-day activity takes place, like members, attendance, meals, activities, and more. Reception, for fast check-in with facial recognition. Outreach and relationship management, which is our marketing module designed specifically for adult daycare centers. Reports, where you generate insights and exports. And center settings, where you configure the system. For today's walkthrough, let's head over to the care management module. Let's select the Members tab. This tab displays the member list, which is a starting point for managing participants. If you need a new member, click on the Add Member button. Here, you'll enter a few details like their first name, last name, and enrollment date, as well as upload an image for easy identification. Here, you could also scroll through existing members, filter by status, and search to quickly find the member you're looking for. Let's click on a member to view their profile. On each member's digital profile, information is organized into clear sections via the left navigation. This profile serves as a secure, structured hub, centralizing all essential member information for your team. On the left navigation, you'll see contact information, includes email address, phone numbers, and flags showing how the member prefers to be contacted. General information, such as mobility status, evacuation assistant, adaptive equipment, or dietary needs. Demographics, covering birthday, pronouns, languages, and more. Background, covering religion, worship, education, hobbies, and interests, helping staff better understand and connect with each member. Advanced directive, notes, and files, ensuring that important information is easy to find when you need it. Contacts, to track responsible parties, family members, physician, and case managers. Everything is standardized but flexible. You can even add custom fields, capturing information unique to your center. This means less digging through paper files and more confidence that your staff have the right details at the right time. Next, let's look at attendance, a feature designed for speed and efficiency. On this screen is a list of the members scheduled for the day. Checking someone in or out is as easy as clicking the check-in button and the checkout button. The system will automatically apply the benefit and transportation records. For members who have an appointment and plan on returning, you can add a secondary attendance, select the benefit type, and click Create. At the top of the page, there is a summary of the scheduled, check-in, checked out, and canceled totals. If a member arrives and wasn't scheduled for the day, you can click the Add Members button, add the member, and make any adjustments necessary, like updating the benefit type or changing the transportation records. All of this reduces manual tracking, ensures billing accuracy, and provides staff and directors with real-time view of daily activity. Let's check out meals, which are just as simple. Only members that are checked in will appear here. The system automatically selects the meal type based off of the time of day. You can change the meal type by selecting the drop-down and clicking on the meal. Staff can quickly add consumption and change the status of center served, brought own meal, or declined meal. If your center needs additional details like tracking bread or jam consumption, or even fluid amounts, we can customize these fields to fit your needs. For centers participating in CACFP, Seniorverse generate reports in the exact format needed for reimbursement, saving hours of paperwork and ensuring compliance. And lastly, let's look at reporting. Seniorverse comes with a range of ready-to-use reports and can be customized to your specific requirements. You'll find the billing report that automatically calculates charges based on attendance and your billing rules. The attendance details that list out attendance records grouped by the benefit type. The transportation summary that allows you to view the transportation method at a glance. And lastly, the CACFP report that mirrors the state system for easy entry. By centralizing all this data, staff no longer need to compile numbers from multiple places or dig through endless paper files. It is faster, it is more accurate, and it's always accessible when you need it. And that's a quick overview of operation management in Seniorverse. From member profile and attendance to meal tracking and reporting, our goal is to simplify your workflow, reduce mistakes, and give you more time to focus on delivering great care. To dive deeper into other parts of the platform, check out our other videos on care management, activities, and outreach tools. If you'd like to learn more about how Seniorverse can support your center, visit us anytime at seniorverse.com. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping your team work smarter and spend more time where it counts, caring for your members.